Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Arting, that's what we're doing. And this is a smaller one. I think it's 12 by 12, or maybe it's actually a little more rectangular, maybe 12 by 14. Anyway, it's small. And I love it because it reminds me of Scalea in summertime. This gal looking out to the sea in her beautiful sun hat and just sun-kissed and everything else. It's one of my favorite paintings that I've done. I'm gonna do a much bigger one because I really like how this came out small. And I'll share that with you. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you my little Marilyn Monroe portrait that I did. Okay, and here's my blue Marilyn. I really like how she came out. And being small, it's very tricky to get all the details just right. You have to use a tiny brush, and even a tiny brush is not like a pen tip or something. So it was a little tricky, but I really like how she came out. That's blue Marilyn. And probably one of my favorites so far is my green tiger. I have a tiger series, which I've been working on, and I have a lot of them back in Italy. This one's in California. He is a little bit smaller than I normally do. Of course, there's my giant Chinese dragon, which I love. But I really like how this guy came out. I think the green background is really striking with the orange. So all you LSU fans, be ready because I've got a purple and gold background that I'm gonna start with a beautiful tiger just for you guys, and we'll have prints made available and you can buy the original. See you soon, guys.